Daddy, what do I do with this?
Fish out that bucket.
No!
Come on, you gotta unhook it.
Lorena catch a snake.
That was an accident.
What kind of snake is that?
Yeah, sure. That's an accident. I just got the snake, eh?
Let me see, Lorena.
It's a snake.
Yeah, let me hold it. Let me. Its mouth.
Huh? Yeah, it bit the worm too.
That's because you're probably dangling it over by it. Because that thing gonna swim underwater and grab a worm.
Lorena got the snake. Is that the one that you caught?
No, it's
No, that was a different one.
a
Put
different kind.
put over there.
How you get it out? Wow.
Look at it turn the wrong way. What are we gonna do now?